In today's video, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many iPhone users face, the call ended problem. If your calls keep disconnecting unexpectedly, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and solve this problem. Let's get started. First things first, let's check your signal strength. If you're in an area with poor reception, this can cause calls to drop. Look at the signal bars in the top left corner of your screen. If you have low or no signal, try moving to a different location to see if the call quality improves. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many issues. Here's how to restart your iPhone. Depending on your model, press and hold the side button and volume up or down button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on pressing the side button. Next, let's make sure airplane mode isn't accidentally enabled. Go to your iPhone settings by simply swiping off from Control Center. Check if airplane mode is on or not. If it's on, toggle it off and try making a call again. An outdated iOS version can also lead to connectivity issues. Here's how to check for updates. Go to Settings, tap on General, go to Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This could resolve the call ended problem. If you've tried everything and the problem still continues, it might be a network issue. Contact your carrier to see if there are any outages or issues in your area. And that's it, you've learned how to troubleshoot the call ended problem on your iPhone.